Hi guys, just got this one for my birthday. It's a Dewalt router and I just want to unbox it for you. I could not find an unboxing video online, so let's try one. Plastic bag, user manual and some metal and plastic pieces. More plastic bag. This one, if you open it, contains something for a vacuum cleaner or something. I don't know what this is, so sorry for that. And more plastic. And again, looks like it could be something for a vacuum cleaner. It's a little windy. Take care of all the plastic. And then we have this one, which you can put the router inside. And the machine itself looks amazingly nice. 20 volt for USA, I think, and 18 volt for Europe. Also plastic, and this piece. Two metal bars. Yeah. Something you can adjust. And I think this is the last one. Plastic bag with some screws and a 17mm spanner. Then you can remove the insert and then everything is empty. That's it for the unboxing. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in the next one. Goodbye.